All right, everybody, let's jump right into the June unboxing for the Stationery selection. I know the lighting is going to be a bit funny. We have a thunderstorm rolling through, but here is the cheat sheet. And I'm going to pull the items off camera so that we can pull them out one by one. But the first item is something that I am super excited about. It was one of the items that Miss shared with us, and I was, or I think I shared it with her, and I was like, I love this. And she was like, surprise, it's already in the box. So I'm super excited about these. These stickers are so adorable. And you know me, I love anything to do with postage. So as soon as I saw these, I was like, that's 100% yes from me. But it looks like you've got 4 designs, or 4 of each design. So we've got a fox, a bear, this really beautiful art. Then we have a bunny on a bike, and then these beautiful daisies. I think these are so cute. Let's bring it in a little closer so that you can see all 5 designs. So cute. All right, next up we have this wonderful new product from Midori. These are actually... Ooh, that was loud. These are actually rub-ons or transfer stickers from Midori, but I absolutely love these designs. I have not used any kind of product like this from Midori in the past, but I can expect the best because they are just known for their amazing quality. And I love the sort of hand-drawn effect. It kind of looks like a Hank's Diary sort of what do they call, oil pastel drawing, which I really like. So those are super cute. I'm really excited to give that a try. Next is this memo plan or memo notepad from Midori Asano, and we've had this creator a lot in the past, but I always love her designs. I think they're very whimsical, and I love anything with a notepad because I'm constantly having to take notes, and I don't know, I just love it. So those are the designs, and then it repeats. This is laser printed, so there's a little bit of a sheen on this side, but I'm sure that it does not hinder the writing. And this design reminds me a lot of this design. This was in a previous box for the Stationery selection by a totally different designer, but very similar, also very cute. Next up, ooh, I'm so excited about this. This month's box has got me all kinds of giddy. This is a new item from Oida Letterpress, and we've had their designs several times in the past, but just look at that. Come on. It is a coppery sort of metallic printing. I don't know if it's coming off like that on screen. The lighting is kind of bad because we have this thunderstorm rolling over. But I love that. And it looks like it is the same color all the way through. Normally with Oida you get 2 different colors, but with this one it looks to be the same like coppery color, which I absolutely love. And they're teeny. Oh my gosh, they're so teeny tiny. And they are perforated to make it easier for you to use these teeny tiny designs, but I can just see myself sort of fussy cutting these. I feel like these are absolutely perfect for using for dates in your planners or journal. Just put the date in this little box and just call it good. Absolutely love this. Definitely hands down one of my favorite items. As soon as I saw these in the sneak pictures, I was like, OMG, this is perfection. So again, a lovely sort of like boutique style item. This is really fun. This is a fountain pen. No, it is not a fountain pen. It is a regular ballpoint pen, but it has like fountain pen ink that you can use in it. So you can use all your favorite fountain pens in this ballpoint style pen. It does come with a converter, which I think is a huge win. So all the guts are like a fountain pen, which I absolutely love, except it's ballpoint. So that makes it a lot more user friendly for sure. Still just as messy as having to use a fountain pen when it comes to inking it up, but I don't know. I feel like this is going to be really fun. Look at that combo. Look at that cap. The cap did come separately, but I think it's just so that you can personalize it if you want it to, and it's still basically clear on the inside so that you can see the ink that you're using. But Mitts went one step further and actually included some brown ink, which I'm going to go ahead and ink up right now. I'm not going to use the converter, even though part of me really wants to, just because I'm a traditionalist. But for the sake of the video, I will remove the converter, and so you're basically just going to put not this side but this side in, and that little pin inside is going to puncture this so that you can get the ink on the inside, and you can already see it's working through the system. Oh my god, I love demonstrator pens just because it's just kind of interactive in a way, and I don't know, I just really love it. And you can see when your ink is running low or not, but very cool to be able to see inside. I'm going to ink that up, and I'm going to hold it up here. Ooh, there's a good rumble. So the ink can move through the system so we can test it out before this video is over with. We have two more items. We've got some tapes here. So we've got some empty tape, and then a totally different kind of tape, maybe a clear tape. So let's open these up and see what designs we have. All right, so here is the MT one. It's this beautiful grass and flower design, which I think is perfect for summertime. And then, okay, so this is like a super, super clear tape. This is like an old style, like clear tape. And, ooh, it's strong. How cute are those whimsical designs? They totally fit in with the same style as the sticker sheet this month, which is so cute. Those are going to go really well together. And this tape is like really strong. It's like super, super good quality. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. It just feels like super high quality clear tape, which is becoming more and more popular, I'm understanding. All right, so we have the letterpress labels, the memo pad, the transfer stickers, the pen and the inks, and of course these adorable stickers. I hope this is all in frame, but look how good this all looks good together. I love it. Let's see how far my ink has traveled. Not super far yet, but we can always test it. We can always test it. Might have to give it a minute. Let's fling it a couple times. All right, so I flung it, and you can see it's starting to get down in there. Ooh, there it is. Okay, so oh my god, oh my gosh, I love the way this writes. The Stationery selection, and still trying to pull the ink in, so it's like still kind of blotchy. Oh, here comes the rain. Oh, my chickens are like, no. Oh, Evelyn, go back home, pretty girl. Okay, I'm just gonna rip this one out so I can write on the back a little bit. So I love this color too. Stationery selection, June 2023. Oh, I love this pen. This is a Fonte pen. Doesn't say anything like about nib size. And then we have the Fonte brown ink. Oh, I love the way this writes. You guys, picture the writing experience with, I can't find mine. I just had it in my hands this morning. Where did it go? I'm thinking gel pen, Sarasa. No, not Sarasa. Where's it at? I just had one this morning. Oh man. Jelly Roll. Jelly Roll. Think that experience. Amazing writing experience. Love this pen, and I like that ink color. All right. I'm going to have to cut this. I love the way that goes with everything else too. I'm gonna have to cut this video because the lighting is depleting itself rapidly and the quality is going down, I can see, but there's a close-up of the ink. I love it. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks, bye!